Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Mike It Yourself. Today we're going to do a couple of mods. We're going to start off with the heat shields, adding those to the drag pipes on the Fatboy today. Recently went out on a ride with my wife, and as expected or suspected, the peg for the passenger sits right next to that drag pipe there. And you know, it's really hard to sit there and not swing your heel in and melt your shoe. So we had a little bit of that. I was able to get that off of the pipe. Unfortunately, it melted my wife's shoe a little bit. But in order to prevent further damage, I ordered some heat shields to put onto these pipes, so that way we don't ruin any more shoes. And then for the driver's side, I have a little tag there. That's where your pant leg kind of sits, and you know, instead of burning up through your jeans or whatever, figure put one there too. Pretty cheap. I think they're like 15 bucks for each one of these on Amazon. So it's a simple setup. You just have your chrome shield there. On the back side, it has these H brackets here that you're going to feed these retaining rings to. So you just you'll have to undo it, just kind of slide it through there like you're doing your belt, and then tighten them on. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that now, and we'll take a look at what it looks like afterwards. Okay, got the clamps on both of the heat shields. This one's going to be for my passenger. So one of the things that I looked, and I believe, and we'll find out here shortly, is I should be able to just kind of slide this up the pipe and tighten it down and be done with it. On the driver portion of it, there's a couple of brackets you need to get by, so I went ahead and left these open so I can just go ahead and clamp it on there, and then screw it down to tighten up these clamps, and that way it won't move around on us. These are pretty big. My drag pipes aren't that large, so push comes to shove. Old faithful Harbor Freight bought a kit of assorted hose clamps, so I've got a whole bunch of different sizes if I need them. Hopefully I won't need them, or if I do, thank you Harbor Freight. Alright, so we're down here. Once I kneeled down a little closer to the pipe, I found it actually has two mounting brackets here connecting to the frame. So that means I had to undo the clamps so that way I can just go ahead and clamp it on. Probably easier, but whatever. It's all good. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that on there and feed these through. What I'll probably end up having to do is cutting off excess for these clamps, or like I said, depending on how bad it is, I may switch over to my Harbor Freight stock to see if that's going to work. Okay, got the heat shield on, and like I said, there's going to be some excess here. Not a big deal. I don't think I need to switch out to a different clamp. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this excess off using some tin snips. Bend it down a little bit, that way it doesn't become too much of an eyesore. And yeah, so that one's on. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the front, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'll have to do a little bit of wiping down afterwards, but that should do the trick. So now when a foot is on here and you kick your heel in, then you don't end up putting that heel right on the pipe and melting your boot. Okay guys, so both the heat shields are installed, the excess of the clamp is cut off, and you can see, I mean, it's not like they're invisible or anything, but they're going to protect my clothing, my leg. I don't ever ride with shorts. I'm a true believer of you dress for the slide, not the ride. But if you're one of those guys who likes to ride with shorts and you got pipes like mine, you might want to invest in something like this to keep from totally singeing your inside of your leg, right? So again, this would be very, very helpful for the boots if you have a rider on the back. And then just a little life hack I wanted to share with you guys. If you have old pillows at home, don't ever throw them away. If you're a mechanic, you spend a lot of times working on your knees, and if you don't have like knee pads, or there are those other pads that you can buy, they tend to get dirty after a while. Keep old pillows around, throw that on the floor, and it's very comfortable on the knees. So, you know, cheap investment, right? Very reusable until they get soaked or whatever, and then you toss them. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and look forward to some of your comments and showing you some more of the mods we do to the Fatboy.